In this tutorial, we will show you how to fill in US Form 4506-T correctly using PDF.co and Zapier. This is the sample file that we use. First, click on the Make a Zap button to create a Zap. Next, select PDF.co for the app event. Then, select PDF Filler to perform the Zap. Now, let's connect your PDF.co account. Before we set up the PDF Filler configuration, we will show you how we get the PDF info online. First, click on Helper Tools. Then, choose the Get PDF Info. Now, select the Get Info from URL and input the link of your file. Then click Proceed. This is the field name of the employer identification. This is the taxpayer identification number. In the Source PDF field, kindly select or enter the US Form 4506-T URL. In the Fillable Fields field, enter the page index, field name, and the value for the field separated by a semicolon. Now, we are ready to send the PDF filler over to PDF.co for test and review. Great! We have configured the PDF filler correctly. Filled US Form 4506-T. We can then turn the Zap on. Here's the US Form 4506-T that we filled out with our sample data using PDF.co and Zapier. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.